Namaste, my beautiful souls. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am honored. And if you are the one who is watching my channel for the very first time, then let me give you a small introduction. My name is Tanvita Ganguly and I am a personal transformation expert, spiritual life coach, manifestation coach, motivational speaker, and also an YouTuber and a podcaster. And I talk about all the spiritual process which I have followed, my own experience, so that you can heal yourself and change your life anytime. Today I'm going to talk about self-love. And why? Because I was just having my tea, and this is also a part of my self-love routine, and I was just talking with my parents and I thought, why not share this with my family? You, yes, you are my family as well. So today I thought talk about all about self-love technique and how you can do self-love completely, or how you can fall in love with yourself completely. Before I proceed, what do you need to do? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification button, because wherever I come online, you need to hear my voice. Right, let's get started. First point which we are going to talk about to do self-love is we have to be in shunya mode, in zero mode. Now this shunya is not a shunya which we talk about in our meditation. This zero is a way, a tool, so that we can fall in love with ourselves. So for that we need to do, we have to take a pen and paper, and you have to write it down what you are good at, and on the other page where you think you are lacking, or you're worse, or you don't like yourself, whatever negative thought you're having, or you think people talk about you here. And it is not possible that all of a sudden you sit down and you have all the points. Trust me, when a person asked me to do that, on the very first day I wrote a lot of negative points. He told me to write 10 each, 10 good points, 10 bad points. Well, I wrote 20 bad points and 2 good points, and I was feeling like, what? That's where I just don't love myself. And why this happened? Because we don't accept, we don't understand, we never gave focus to ourselves to know what is there inside. Remember where you are, because what you are. If you improvise yourself, your situation will also change, right? So you have to find your shunya mode, which is accepting yourself. And that doesn't mean the only bad thing. That also means the good thing you are having. Because when I was asked to do that, I failed to write more than 2 points. Because whenever someone used to give me any compliments, I was like, oh no, you're just bluffing, I am not that good. And I used to accept that, because my mindset was like, okay, I don't know how to react if someone is telling me you're good. I don't know how to accept it. I used to feel shy. I used to feel shy when someone used to tell something good about me, and I don't know how to react. But when someone used to tell anything bad to us, bad to me especially, my parents taught me that always accept that, and then we can decide how you can change that. So I used to behave like, okay, I will do that. Okay, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will do that. But when it is about your good points, I was nothing. So write down your good points and bad points, and it is not possible to write it down in one go. Sit for a meditation. But most of the people say that when you sit for a meditation, you get all the answers. Well, from my experience, it was not happening. When I was in meditative mode, I was not even understood what was good, what was bad. But that 10 minutes of meditation, after that, I used to feel good about myself. I used to feel, yeah, all the tension has gone. And now that was your moment. You channelize those messages to the universe, and within that full day, either you by yourself or someone else will come to you and tell you, oh, do you know that? You're so good at it. And you'll find, I got 1 point and I have to write it down in my diary. That would be another excitement. I am good at it, yeah. Nobody asked me, but I found it. I found it. And when people will ask, what are you good at? You'll say, oh, I have 20 points, 50 points. Do you want to know really? I can tell. Along with that, when someone tells you, you know what, you're not good at it, you need to work on this. If it is a positive feedback, I mean, it's a negative feedback but have been given you in a positive manner. You can understand that the person is your well-wisher. Yeah? Then you can take that point and also write it down. After 10 days and 15 days, you will have a list of your good points and bad points. So whenever you feel demotivated, you are opening your diary and you have 20 points which you are good at. And when you are in high vibration, also check your negative point one by one and start working on that thing. It is a continuous process. Not in one day you can do that. Every day you have to do that. Every moment, whenever you feel like, just take a 10 minutes of moment, do meditation, and rest of the day would be yours. Because within that meditation moment, you just channelize those messages to universe that, universe, I want this answer, and universe will help you out. So, right? The next point would be whatever negative points you are having. Check. Is this really your negative point? Do you really don't have that quality, or it is in your mind? You think you cannot, but you actually can. Or I would say that it is your limiting mind is telling you cannot do that. Well, if you really have some problem, you can rectify. But before that, you really have to know that, do I really have that problem, or this is what I am thinking of? If you think that I think I am not good at math, or I am not good at making money, or I am not good at selling, I am not good at marketing, anything, then you have to write just the opposite sentence to a new page or to a new copy. Take a fresh copy and write just the opposite. That I'm good at math, I'm good at selling, I'm good at marketing, I'm good at ABCD, everything. And that would be your affirmation. So the first copy, the positive side you are having, write it down in red color because that would be bold. And the negative side you write in black color because you really don't want it. But when you are changing it to your affirmation, make sure you're taking a red pen. You're cutting that negative limiting beliefs with the red pen with bold. Just strike through bold and just change it to the new affirmation, and write also in red or pink, the bright color, and just chant it every day. And that is how you can make your own affirmation, customized affirmation according to your situation. This is the base of self-love. Acceptance. Be in that shunya mode. Accept how you are. You are a human being, and human being made of some good and bad. So having both is normal. You cannot be completely bad or cannot be completely good. There has to be some problems where you can take care only when you focus. So just try out and let me know what is your experience. Let me know also in the comment box that how many good points you are having and how many bad points you are having. I am eager to know, and then I can also share mine. You never know, right? So comment down right now, because we are a family and we share our things with each other. Thank you so much for being till the end. I really appreciate. So if you haven't already, like this video right now, just play the button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification button, because whenever I come online, you need to hear my voice. Now I'll just enjoy my tea and I will come back with something very important on my next video. Till then, tada, take care, namaste.